news tonight as crews have contained a fire in East Charlotte.
Continue to follow breaking news this morning out of East Charlotte.
A fire causing about $65,000 in damage to an East Charlotte.
We continue to follow breaking news this morning out of East Charlotte.
An accidental blaze caused $20,000 in damage at an East Charlotte apartment.
New developments after a 2-alarm fire at an East Charlotte.
Shamrock, number 15. I ain't seen no truck better than that one. That's the baddest truck I ever seen.
Is that the fire truck?
Yep, number 15 Shamrock.
Okay.
Yeah, come up
Play again, County 4.